The Zero-Turn 10 is the first four-wheel mid-size scooter with iTurn technology, giving you the turning radius of a three-wheel scooter with the stability of a four-wheel scooter. Your Zero-Turn 10 will be shipped in two boxes, the Zero-Turn 10 unit and the seat. Remove the seat and set aside. Inside the main box, in addition to containing the Zero-Turn 10, you will also receive your battery charger and your owner's packet. To remove the Zero-Turn 10 from the box, cut the front of the box away and let it fall to the floor. Then remove the foam holding the front wheels in place. Put the unit in freewheel, then lift up the rear and wheel the unit out of the box. Make sure you have all parts before beginning assembly. You should have all of the following: the Zero-Turn 10 scooter, the seat, the arms and arm pads, the battery charger, the basket, the owner's manual. Start by removing the battery shroud to connect the batteries that come shipped with the unit. The batteries come installed in the unit but disconnected, so you will need to connect them. Follow the instructions to connect the Anderson connectors. They are numbered so that you cannot mix them up. Replace the battery shroud and test for power. From here, attach the seat and add the arms. To install the armrests, first remove the detent pin and loosen the thumb screw. Then insert the lower half of the armrest to the desired width, reinsert the detent pin and tighten the thumb screw. Next, insert the upper half of the armrest into the lower half already installed on the unit to set the desired height and tighten the set screw. Add the front basket and you're ready to go. The Zero-Turn 10 comes with 3 speed settings which are located on the console. Eco mode will let you cruise at 2 miles per hour, EV mode will let you cruise at 4 miles per hour, and Sport mode will let you cruise at the max speed of 7 miles per hour, simply by setting the speed dial to your desired comfort speed. The Zero-Turn 10 comes equipped with both front and rear LED lights to keep you safe while traveling at night. The Zero-Turn 10 is equipped with both front and rear scrolling LED turn signals. Hazard lights can also be activated. There is also a puddle light to help you see the storage compartment located on the tiller. Also located on the tiller is the horn. It comes equipped with a Delta wraparound tiller for easy use of the throttle and steering. A rear view mirror or cell phone can be added as an accessory. The battery meter has a built-in ambient sensor for night and day. The Zero-Turn 10 comes standard with a large basket. The Zero-Turn 10 has front and rear CTS suspension, comfort track suspension, for a much smoother ride. To adjust the tiller, simply pull the lever up and move forward or backwards for your desired comfort. The XLR port located on the tiller will allow you to charge the batteries without removing them from the unit. The Zero-Turn 10 also comes equipped with a standard USB port, allowing you to charge your phone while on the unit. There are also 2 freewheel levers located on the rear of the unit, allowing you to put the scooter in neutral to manually push. The Zero-Turn 10 comes with 10-inch rear tires and 9-inch front tires, as well as anti-tip wheels in the rear. The iTurn technology allows the Zero-Turn 10 to turn in tight turning areas such as hallways, bathrooms, or crowded areas. The seat is designed with a slider, allowing you to move the seat forward and backwards for your comfort. The seat also swivels, allowing you to turn for easy transfers on and off the seat. You can adjust the armrests in height, angle, and width for your comfort. The Zero-Turn 10 can be disassembled for transporting your unit. First, remove the seat. Then remove the plastic battery cover. Loosen the battery strap. Disconnect the batteries by simply pulling up on the Anderson connectors. Then remove the batteries. Next, disconnect the power and motor connectors. And simply pull up on the quick disconnect lever and separate the body from the rear axle. To reassemble the unit, follow the diagram shown on the lever to reconnect the wires and attach the rear axle. Replace the batteries and tighten down the battery strap and you're ready to go. With contemporary styling and cutting-edge technology, the Zero Turn 10 is the perfect combination of aggressive performance and maneuverability. Discover the comfortable ride the Zero Turn 10 provides with the CTS suspension. Powerful dual motors and two-wheel drive offers aggressive traction, easily tackling rugged terrain on trails. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.